Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your GE Oven. So there are three ways how you can do it because it really depends what kind of type you have. So the first thing that you want to do and try is that you want to look for lock controls button on your oven. This is, for example, for the newer ones. And here you're going to have to press and hold it for 3 seconds. Another one is that you're going to have like a text between two buttons where you're going to say lock controls, hold 3 seconds. And there you just want to hold the plus and the minus button at the same time. So there you should like read there lock controls, or maybe it's going to be between the cancel off and self screen. So just have to search for the lock controls. Or another thing, if you don't see anything like that, then what you want to do is you want to search for cancel off and you want to press and hold it for 3 seconds. Maybe that is going to also work. So it really depends what kind of type you have, but I just created like multiple types here for you so you can see and try all these. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.